Live from Studio 46, this is CBS 2 News.
Okay, Lonnie, thank you. Now to the Legionnaires outbreak in the Bronx, and the numbers are climbing tonight. The city now says 12 people have died. That is up by 2 from yesterday. The Legionella bacteria have also been found at 2 more locations. They are the Department of Homeless Path Intake Center and also the Daughters of Jacob Nursing Home. New information now on efforts to end the outbreak from CBS 2's Hazel Sanchez.
An unprecedented preventative move by New York City. Legislation requiring the regular inspection of cooling towers, the apparent source of Legionella bacteria in the Bronx.
We are dealing with a new set of realities that we have never encountered before in this city. And as we experience this outbreak, we are making a series of changes in the approach that we undertake.
The regulation would be the first of its kind in the country. All cooling towers would have to be registered with the city. Regular testing and cleaning would be required. Building owners would also need to have cooling towers inspected quarterly and get an annual certification. Anthony Sannazzaro works for HIGHMARK, a company that installs and maintains cooling towers throughout the tri-state area. He says regulations are long overdue.
Nearly every commercial building has a cooling tower, even some of the larger residential buildings. Obviously, there are some issues where if the equipment isn't maintained properly, then issues like this can arise.
Cooling towers are not air conditioners. They basically pull heat from inside a building and use water and an evaporation process to transfer the heat outside. Excess water lands in this catch basin where the bacteria can grow.
Well, a lot of people are asking why now?
It's not a summer-only event. But why now is because a majority of the majority of the cooling towers in New York City are running. They're 100%. It's our hottest days, so I think you just see a frequency of more units operating.
Governor Cuomo's office says his inspectors have discovered Legionella in cooling towers outside the target area in the Bronx, including Rockland County. Perhaps a sign that regulations should be more widespread. In Midtown, Hazel Sanchez, CBS 2 News.
Lawmakers still have to hammer out what the fines would be. There is a hearing on the measure set for tomorrow with a vote scheduled for Thursday.